Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is the second video in the scrap bin collaboration series that I'm doing, hosted by Mandie's Place. So as I stated last week, it is basically just going to be a continuation of this mini album that I'm working on. I have done all of the inlays on this and kind of decided what I'm going to do with the journal, but I'm having a million issues deciding on how I want to do the cover. I'm thinking of possibly leaving it solid blue and then doing a shaker front with this All Things Grow with Love chipboard piece, as well as this deer chipboard piece. So I would put like the All Things Grow with Love here in the center and the deer over here with a shaker in the back, and then probably just line it with some trim. I have some really nice lacy trim. I also have some pom-pom trims. I'm really not 100% sure. Being that this is my first album, I think I'm just putting a lot of way too much thought into how I want it to look. I want it to be perfect because I see everybody else's albums and I'm just like, I wish that I can make my stuff look like that. But hopefully that will be next week's video. So for my inlays, I have my accordion style here on page 1. It's got this pretty black paper with flowers on it from the Bloom collection. And then on the other side, I have this beige colored paper with flowers on it. And so then that pulls out, and this whole side is the beige, with the other side being all of the black. And then here for page 2, I have the bows from the Bloom collection. This particular piece of paper comes from the 6x6 paper pad. And then that's closing this, and I have it inlaid. I have a magnet in here, and then I have a magnet underneath this piece here so that it snaps shut. And then I don't have to worry about it popping open too much. So that's nice. And then I laid this with some flourish paper. I decided to do the same all the way around on this book. So it's got the same piece of flourish paper from the 6x8 paper pad with the gold foil. And then I'm going to leave all these pages empty because I decided that I'm going to kind of journal inside of these pages and maybe kind of do my own little decorative artistic pieces. And then here are my folder tabs. So here again, I did the magnet. So there's a magnet sitting right here, and then there's a magnet on the back side of this piece that keeps it shut so that I don't have to worry about them falling down. And then here I did this pink paper from the Bloom collection. This black fern foil paper from the Flourish collection. So pretty much everything in here is Bloom or Flourish. This really pretty gray flowered paper that I actually also have a piece of right here. Like, I don't know if I like this light here, guys. Okay, I think that's better. Alright, so then this gray paper is what I have right here, with this adorable bird print paper. Look at this, from the Bloom collection. And then the third folder is this cute chevron paper with the white and black fern paper on the back from the Flourish collection. Oops. Boom. And then for my final page, I have this black flowered paper from the Flourish collection with this pretty pink paper that is also from the Flourish collection. So yeah, so since I used pretty much all Bloom and Flourish for all of this, I decided that's what I'm going to stick with when it comes to my embellishments. So I think that might be also why I'm having an issue. I'm just, maybe using 2 collections is too much. I don't know. I'm just, guys, I need so much help. So please, please, please leave ideas down below. Leave links to other videos that will help give me ideas. I have a really, really busy week ahead of me, and I am so bad about doing crafts after work. Like, I leave my house at 8:30 in the morning. I don't get home until 7 p.m. As soon as I get home, I cook dinner and I sit down and I like watch a couple things on TV with my husband. And then I'm tired. And so I have to really, I don't know, I've got to figure out some way to make it so that I'm not so tired after work every day so that I can do more. Because then by the time the weekend comes, I spend all day Saturday like catching up on all of the things that I should have been doing all week after work. And then like today, I finally was able to sit down and do some crafting, but then I spent all day working on this book to just now at 10:45 at night be finally recording my video for this. So I've got to figure out a different way to like structure my life, I guess is the best way to put it. But while I'm trying to figure that out, I will continue to work on this book, and then hopefully for next week I will have it all complete. So until next time, thank you guys so much for checking out my videos, for leaving all of your great comments, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.